In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the total number of words typed in Microsoft Word on any computer. Microsoft Word includes a built-in word count feature that lets you quickly see how many words are in your document. This can be especially useful when you're working with assignments, reports, articles, or any document that needs to meet a specific word requirement. Start by opening Microsoft Word and opening the document you want to check. Once the document is open, look at the bottom left area of the Word window. You should see the current word count displayed on the status bar. The number shown there represents the total number of words currently in your document. As you continue typing, Microsoft Word automatically updates this number, so you can keep track of your word count while working. If you want to see more detailed information, select the word count shown on the status bar. This opens the word count dialog box, where Microsoft Word provides additional information about your document. In the word count dialog box, you can see the total number of pages, words, characters with spaces, characters without spaces, paragraphs, and lines. This gives you a more complete overview of the content in your document. If you only want to count the words in a specific part of the document, first select the text you want to measure. Once the text is selected, Microsoft Word will show the word count for that selected portion. This is useful when you need to check the length of a particular paragraph, section, or part of an assignment without counting the entire document. You can then compare the selected word count with the total word count of the document. When you click back into the document and remove the selection, the word count will return to showing the information for the full document. Another way to access the word count is through the Review tab. Select the Review tab at the top of the Word window, then look for the Word Count option. Select it to open the same word count dialog box and view the detailed statistics for your document. The word count feature works automatically, so there is no need to manually count the words yourself. It can save time and help you make sure your document stays within the required length. And that's how you can find the total number of words typed in Microsoft Word on any computer. You can check the count directly from the status bar, or open the word count dialog box for more detailed information. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,